Good evening, student. In our first session, we study about the chapter 1 and unit 1. Okay, so today we will start in our new session chapter 1 and the unit 2, that is the tissue in plant. Just like animal tissue, plant tissues are two types. First is the meristematic tissue and the second one is the permanent tissue. Okay, so first is meristematic tissue. So, meristematic tissue are formative tissue made up of actively dividing and add new cells to the plant tissue. Because this tissue responsible for the growth of the plant. That's why this tissue is present the tip of the stem or the tip of the root because it help in the growth of the plant. That's why these are called the meristematic tissue or growth bearing tissue. So meristematic tissue had different type of the characteristics, just like these cells are very small and the thin wall structure. The cells are so meristematic tissue is towards growth in the length and the width of the plant. So these tissue are found the tip of the stem and the tip of the root. Now the characteristics. These tissue are very small. Look at the diagram. These tissues are very small and the thin wall structure. Its layer is very thin and the cells are rich in the cytoplasm. It means cytoplasm are present in a very large amount and the small prominent nucleus is present in all the cells. Okay, so these cells lack spaces. It means they do not have the spaces in between of the cells. They do not have the intermolecular spaces. Intermolecular spaces are lack in between the cells. So these cells are actively dividing. They are made the new cells of the plant body. That's why they contribute toward the growth in the length and the width of the plant. That's why these are present the root and the shoot tip because they help in the growth. So meristematic tissue again divide and after that it give rise to the permanent tissue. I repeat one more time. So meristematic tissue are the formative tissue. They are actively dividing and make the new cells. After that they convert into the permanent tissue. Okay, so these tissue are very small. These cells are the very small and their walls are very thin. They have a large amount of the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is liquid. They have the large amount of the cytoplasm and the spaces between the cells are very less. Okay, so these are very small, thin wall structure and spaces are very less and cytoplasm are very much amount of present. Okay, so they actively divided and give rise to the new cells and make the permanent tissue. So this is the picture of the root tip in which meristematic tissue present in a very large amount. Okay, so this is the picture of sprout of mustard seed in which meristematic tissues are present, and this is the shoot tip. Okay, so this is the shoot tip in which meristematic tissue is present and they divide actively and again divide it and make the new cell that convert into the permanent tissue. So this tissue is the meristematic tissue. Next one is the permanent tissue. So meristematic tissue are very small, thin wall structure, rich in the cytoplasm with the large prominent nucleus or nuclei. Okay, spaces are very less and they divided actively and make the new cell. After that the new cell is converted into the permanent tissue. So student, this is the meristematic tissue. In our last class, we will study about the permanent tissue. Okay, so goodbye.